In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix the Steam not logging in even when your password is correct error. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But for example, if you are trying to log into Steam and you're getting an error saying, please check your password and account name and try again, this can be super frustrating because obviously your password is correct, especially if you are using a password manager. In most cases, the issue is actually your account name, not the password. And Steam, for whatever reason, does not let you log in using your email address or your profile display name. You must use your Steam account username. If you've logged into Steam on your computer before, essentially what you're going to want to do is open up File Explorer for you. Then go ahead and scroll down to this PC, select it, and open up your local disk. From here, go into Program Files x86 and open up the Steam folder specifically. Once you open up that folder, go ahead and find the config folder right here, and then look on this option specifically for the config file. Simply go ahead and right-click that, and then once you do that, go ahead and open it with your notepad. You're going to have to select Open With right here, and then select Notepad, hit Always. From here, go ahead and make sure that you hit Edit up at the very top, and then find this little Find option, or just hit Control F, and then type in Account, and then hit Enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and this is where you're going to see your username right here. Essentially, just find it, copy it, and then paste that into your login. And then from here, you can go ahead and enter in your correct password, hit sign in, and you should now be logged in. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.